What a Tyrese. Still almost out in nature. Feeling the heat or the lack of heat out here. As you may already know, I got my water. Got number one top tip to be in nature. Tahini. And they look at the nutrition on that for a quick while. Sugar per 50 G's, 32.4 grams. Now, when you do the calculations, that's over 50% sugar. That's why you don't want to eat too many of them. But you can get spots upon your face. Although that may not matter, the other public demise can have very opinionative, discriminative, prejudicial views upon yourself, and you can hear quite a lot of what some may seem as offensive stuff in this. It's not too good for society, people. That's why I like being out in nature. Got my blanket. You know, it's 2 in the morning, 2:05 in the morning. Got my wellies. Torchlight, as per standard. Thinking about getting a new phone. There's one with a great night sight camera. It's a rugged phone. I'm going to be running the tests, see the difference between camera quality. Right now, I'm using a Redmi Note. I got a Google Pixel somewhere. I'm going to run a few tests on there and just see how it goes.